Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in the 2010 Honda Civic. While this process should work for Honda Civic model years 2006 to 2011, which are 8th gen Civics, attempt this repair at your own risk, as I cannot guarantee your safety nor that it'll work for you. This is the replacement air filter I'll be using from Fram. It's the Fresh Breeze with Arm & Hammer model CF10134, which I got at Walmart for about $14. The instructions for installing it are on the back of the box, and it's a very simple and straightforward piece of maintenance that takes less than a minute, so it really makes no sense that the dealership quoted me $89 to perform this service. The filter itself is individually wrapped to preserve the effectiveness of the baking soda. On one side of the filter, you'll notice some print and a small arrow at the end which points down. This indicates the direction of airflow, so you know which side is top and bottom during installation. Let's go ahead and replace my air filter. The first thing you'll want to do is open the passenger side glove box. If you have some stuff in there, you're going to want to empty it out completely. Now, place your hands on either side of the glove box and press gently inwards to release the catches. This allows you to pull it towards you and drop the drawer all the way down. Here's what that looks like from the front. Behind the drawer is the air filter tray, and you're going to press on the tabs on either side with your fingers to release them. Then pull the tray straight out. You'll notice on the front of the tray are arrows indicating that the direction of airflow is downward, and you'll need to match that to the arrow on the replacement filter. Now, just remove the old filter and place the new filter in the tray, making sure the arrow is pointing down and the creases of the air filter run horizontally. Then slide the tray back into the slot until the clasps click. Finally, lift the glove box drawer back into place and close it. And that's it. Changing the cabin air filter takes less than 1 minute, and the filter only costs $14, which you can easily order online or pick up at a local retail store like Walmart. I'll put a link to the air filter I used in the description below, which is available on Amazon and other retail stores like Walmart. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks to help you fix things yourself at home.